Realme has launched their Buds wireless Bluetooth earphones. This is the first neckband model from their lineup. And in today's video, we are going to unbox and have a first look at this Realme Buds wireless earphones. Straight away, the box looks very simple. This is the dual tone black and yellow variant. Orange and green color are also available, but those were a bit flashy for my liking. Now coming to the side, we have the Realme branding and also on the other side too. Now let's see what's printed in the back. We have some highlighted features. It has magnetic control which powers the earphones on and off when attached and detached. Then it has 11.2 mm bass boost driver. So the bass in these earphones would be really great. It has a 12-hour playback and the band is flexible too. This also has the latest Bluetooth 5.0 and it is IPX4 rated. Now coming down, we have the manufacturer's info and this earphones retails at Rs 1800 in online. That's all on the outside of the box. Now let's unbox and see what's inside. It has a 110 mAh battery. Realme claims that 10 minutes of charging gives 100 minutes of playback and it takes 1.5 hours to fully charge it, which is quite good. And straight away we have the earphones and this color combination looks good rather than in photo. Let's now take them out. We'll keep that aside for a bit and see what else we have in the box. We have a little white box. Inside it there is an instruction guide, a USB type A to type B cable which has yellow inserts. It looks very cool. And after that we have two custom sized ear tips for the perfect fit. That's all in the box, and now let's see the main device. The neckband has a premier rubbery texture to it. Coming to the bottom, it has a metallic finish in both the sides and there are 3 buttons for volume up, volume down and play or pause button. We also have an LED indicator present on the bottom. Now coming to the other side, we have the Realme branding shown and nothing else is there in that side. And I had forgotten to show one thing. The charging port is present on the right side beneath the buttons. And now finally coming to the buds, the magnetic strength is quite good and there are ear supports which helps in secure fitment in ears. So that's all for this quick unboxing and first look at the Realme Buds wireless earphones. A detailed review of the sound quality and battery life will be coming soon. So stay tuned guys. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.